Increase engineering capacity with automated CAD model analysis. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides automated CAD model analysis that eliminates the manual analysis of customer CAD drawings and specifications to generate accurate and timely sales quotations. This starts with a complete analysis of your sheet metal CAD models. This analysis of the CAD models includes a complete list of CAD part parameters that are used to facilitate automated routing and sales quote generation. This also facilitates the establishment of advanced part search capabilities. This includes the automated analysis and extraction of 48 CAD part parameters. Global Edge significantly boosts engineering productivity by automating labor-intensive engineering workflow tasks related to quoting and preparing accurate and timely information for the shop floor. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.